Today, I am going to show you certain toothpaste you should never use again. And this is because most of us never question what's in our toothpaste. We grab the same brand we grew up using, squeeze it onto our toothbrush, and start brushing, and that's it. No second thought. But have you ever looked beyond that fancy packaging and checked what's on the label? Or probably wondered what those strange ingredients are, or what that tiny colored rectangle at the bottom of the tube really means? Some people believe those colors reveal everything you need to know about the toothpaste inside. Others say it's just a design. But here's the real truth. Most of what we think we know about toothpaste is either outdated or just plain wrong. In this video, I'm going to reveal the biggest myths about toothpaste, expose ingredients that could be hurting your health, and show you what to look for instead. I'll also uncover the truth behind those color bars at the bottom of your tube. So before you brush your teeth tonight, you'll want to hear this. Let me first start with something many people are curious about, which is the mysterious color bars on your toothpaste tube. You've probably noticed a little colored block at the bottom of your toothpaste tube. Sometimes it's green, other times it's blue, red, or even black. There's a viral theory online that says these colors reveal whether your toothpaste is made from natural ingredients or full of chemicals. According to this belief, green means all natural, blue means some medicine, red means a mix of chemicals and natural stuff, and black means it's all chemicals. Sounds convincing, but this might come as a shock to you, especially if you believe that. But the truth is, it's completely false. Let me explain. That color block has nothing to do with the ingredients in your toothpaste. It's actually just a mark used by the machines in the factory. These machines use sensors to know where to cut and seal the tubes during production. The color is chosen based on how easily the machine can detect it and not based on what's inside the tube. You might ask, so why do different brands have different colors? It depends on the printing and packaging design. That's what it's all about. It's purely technical and has nothing to do with safety, quality, and most importantly, not your health. Believing the color tells you what's inside is like judging a book by its spine color alone. You need to open the book and read it, or in this case, read the label. Now that you know the color bar tells us nothing. So, what does matter when it comes to toothpaste? Let me show you the ingredients you actually should be worried about. What's inside your toothpaste matters far more than the color of the packaging. Many toothpaste brands, even some of the big names you see on every store shelf, include ingredients that can be harmful to your teeth and to your health in general, especially with daily use. Let's start with triclosan. It's used to reduce plaque and fight gum infections, but research has linked it to hormone issues and antibiotic resistance. It has already been banned in soaps and hand sanitizers in some places, but it still shows up in certain toothpastes. And by the way, feel free to hit that subscribe button. Thanks. Alright, let's move on. Next is sodium lauryl sulfate. You know that foamy feeling when you brush? That comes from this ingredient. It's also found in household cleaning products. While it gives your toothpaste that rich, bubbly texture, it can irritate the sensitive skin inside your mouth. People who get frequent mouth ulcers or canker sores often find this ingredient is a major trigger. Then, there are artificial sweeteners like saccharin you need to watch out for. They make toothpaste taste better, but they do not benefit your teeth or your body. Some people even experience allergic reactions to these sweeteners. And of course, we have fluoride. This one is a little bit tricky and controversial. In small controlled amounts, fluoride can help prevent cavities. But too much fluoride, especially in children, can cause a condition called dental fluorosis, which is those chalky white spots on the teeth. In large amounts over time, fluoride can also affect bones. All of this might sound overwhelming at first, but once you know what to look out for, you can avoid these ingredients and protect your dental health. So now the big question is, what toothpaste should you actually use? Let's take a closer look at what makes a better, safer choice. When you are shopping for toothpaste, the list of ingredients should not look like a science experiment. You want simple, clear, and natural ingredients that do the job without harming your body. One of the best base ingredients is baking soda. It is gentle but effective at scrubbing away plaque without wearing down your enamel. Another good option is calcium carbonate, which is also used for mild cleaning and polishing. To keep your breath fresh without using artificial flavors, look for natural oils like peppermint oil, clove oil, or even tea tree oil. These can give you that clean feeling without introducing extra chemicals. Some brands use xylitol, a natural sweetener found in fruits and vegetables. Xylitol not only makes toothpaste taste better, but also helps stop bacteria from sticking to your teeth. If you still want fluoride, that's fine. Just choose a toothpaste that clearly states how much is in it and avoid doubling up with mouthwash or water that already has fluoride in it. And if you prefer fluoride-free options, there are great ones out there that still do the job and protect your enamel. The shorter the ingredient list, the better. If you can read the label without stumbling over complicated chemical names, that is a good sign. But what about those common toothpaste claims and viral videos? I think at this point, we need to talk about a few popular myths that might be misleading you. Let's go back to that color bar myth I talked about earlier just for a second. The idea that it reveals the quality or safety of your toothpaste is completely made up. It might feel like a fun fact, but it's not based on science or manufacturing truth. It's just an internet rumor that got passed around too many times. Another myth is that if your toothpaste burns or tingles, it must be working. That feeling often comes from strong flavors or harsh chemicals. It's not a sign that your teeth are getting cleaner. In fact, if your gums hurt or your tongue feels sore after brushing, your toothpaste might be the cause and you need to take a closer look at the label. And you might also think that more foam equals more cleaning. Sorry to break it to you, that is not true either. Foam is just a texture created by certain detergents like sodium lauryl sulfate. You can get a great clean without any foam at all. This one I see most of the time. Just because a toothpaste says whitening on the label does not mean it's helping your teeth. Many whitening pastes use abrasive materials that can strip away enamel over time, leaving your teeth weaker and more sensitive. So if you've been relying on these signs to choose your toothpaste, it might be time to rethink your routine. Let's pull everything together and talk about what steps you can take starting today. Here's what I need you to know. Facts. You do not need to be a scientist to choose a good toothpaste. You just need to pay attention. Ignore the color bar. It means nothing. Flip the tube around and look at the label instead. Watch out for ingredients like triclosan, sodium lauryl sulfate, artificial sweeteners, high levels of fluoride, and those names you can't pronounce fully without catching a breath. Instead, choose a toothpaste with a short ingredient list. Natural cleaners like baking soda or calcium carbonate, and gentle flavors made from real plant oils. Do not fall for fancy claims or packaging tricks. Your teeth are not looking for foam or tingles. They are looking for balance and protection. Your mouth is the entry point to your whole body. What you put into it matters, and this small change in your toothpaste choice can protect your health in ways you never expected. And by the way, if you know of any toothpaste myth I didn't talk about today, I would like you to drop it in the comments. If you got value from this video, then I encourage you to share it with others to help them take a step forward in protecting their dental health. Until next time, peace and love.